Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Siddiq from Don Bosco College of Engineering, Goa. I'm really grateful for this opportunity to complete my month-stack internship in WebStack Academy. During this journey, I really got hands-on experience with technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even React.js. I learned how these tools work together to build full-stack web applications. And this helped me to strengthen my coding skills and improve my problem solving. I understood how real world development practices are working. So this is my PPT. Let's begin. HTML. Uh, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard language which is used to create structures and web pages. It is a markup language and not a programming language. It uses many tags like HTML, head, and body to define different parts of web page. The content visible to users is placed inside the body tag, while the head section contains metadata, and links to styles or JavaScript. The, and the HTML elements have often attributes that provide extra details such as SRC in an image tag or the href in an anchor tag for hyperlinks. It also supports creating lists, tables, and forms for user input. HTML works together with CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity, forming the foundation of all web pages. So let's move to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and it is used to control the appearance and how the website should look, the layout of web pages. It works with HTML to make web pages visually appealing. CSS defines how elements such as text, images, and layout should look using selectors and properties like color, font size, margin. It allows developers to separate content HTML from design, making it easier to maintain and update websites. Styles can be added in three ways, which is inline, external, and internal. With external style sheets being the most common, and CSS also supports classes and IDs for targeting specific elements, and it includes features like flexbox, grid, and media queries for responsive design. And overall, CSS helps to make the websites more interactive, user-friendly, and adaptable to different screen sizes. Now let's move to JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language which is used to make web pages interactive and dynamic. Uh, it works together with HTML as well as CSS. JavaScript allows web pages to respond to user actions, display alerts, validate forms, and update content without reloading the object. It can manipulate HTML elements through the DOM. DOM full form is Document Object Model, and handle events like click or key presses. JavaScript runs directly in web browsers, but it can also be used on servers using Node.js. Overall, it is an essential language for creating modern, responsive, and interactive web applications. Move to React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library which is developed by Facebook, now which is renamed as Meta, for building user interfaces, especially single page applications. It allows developers to create reusable UI components, making web development faster and more efficient. React uses a component-based architecture where each part of the interface, like buttons, or forms is built as an independent component that can be reused throughout the app. It employs a virtual DOM to efficiently update only parts of web page that change improve performance. React uses JSX, which is JavaScript XML. It is a syntax that allows developers to write HTML like code inside JavaScript. It can be used with other libraries or frameworks as well, and it is often paired with tools like React Router for navigation and even Redux for state management. Overall, React.js makes building dynamic, interactive, and efficient web applications much easier. MERN stack. MERN stack is a combination of four technologies, which is MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. It is used together to build full-stack web applications using only JavaScript. In the MERN stack, React.js is used for building the front end, its user interface. Node.js and Express.js handles the backend with server-side logic, and MongoDB serves as the database for storing data in flexible document-based format. Because JavaScript is used throughout the entire stack, developers can work on both client and server side seamlessly. The MERN stack is widely used for creating fast, dynamic, and scalable web applications, especially single-page apps. Learnings and takeaways. These are my learnings. First is full stack integration. I understood how MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js work together to create a full cohesive applications and mastering data flow from database to UI. So, and second is React state management. They gained expertise in managing complex states with tools like use states, use effects, and context API, ensuring efficient front-end performance. And the most important learning is time management. I learned how to manage time, like to balance both front-end and back-end and tasks under the tight deadlines. And even I had to manage my college project and even this internship. So it was really a great learning. And even code quality, I emphasized writing clean, modular code, ensuring maintainability and collaboration. Show the project demo, my project, run. So uh, this is now only a project. User can directly book their hotels here. So these are the hotels. So this user must register. I've already registered, so I'll log in. This maps extra info. If I want to book this one, then I'll put the date, put 31. This this is the total amount 9,000. Proceed to payment. Confirm the payment. So this is previously I had already booked few, so this I've booked now. 5 in audio process. Done. Updated. These are my bookings. So this was my project, and I would like to sincerely thank the Webstack Academy and my mentors, Richa ma'am, for their constant guidance and support and encouragement throughout this internship. It was a really great learning experience. I am excited to apply this knowledge in my future project as well and continue growing as a full stack web developer. Thank you very much.